Hi everyone, it's Lynn and I'm here today to show you the artwork and the kit for Gnomes for summer. Many of you have purchased all the previous Gnomes kits for winter, autumn, and spring, and the last collection is for summer. So let's just talk about the fact that what is available is the Gnomes for summer bundle. This is something you'll want. It's $92. That's all that I've used other than White Daisy cardstock and some ink. So let's go over those little details. First of all, in the bundle, you're going to get these glitter gems. The glitter gems have like these little swirly seashells and stars. You can see I've used a bunch of them already on the artwork, but there's still some left over. You always get place cards. Here is the beautiful sticker sheet. Now these are really colorful, and many of you have been looking for artwork using the new color of the year that we had with Close to My Heart called Journey. So that is also in this kit. So we have Lagoon and Journey, we have Sundance, Lemonade are the colors, and the new Rosie is also in here. So take advantage of this really colorful, fun kit for summer, beach, pool, tropics, vacation, and I don't know, just having fun, right, with the colors. So this is a really cute one. Love all the different stickers. Here are the pattern papers that are in the kit as well. So you have this motif with all the different words for the summer. I love the colorful waves that you can see here and that zip strip. Cute little sailboat hats, right? Really adorable, which flips over into this Journey. So this is the Journey color right here. And then you have this really cute plaid, which is Lagoon and Journey as well. And remember, the zip strips always have the colors up here. And then you have this really cute one. Look at that ice, all these little ice cream pops, right? Summer speaks a lot about summer. Sprinklers, ice cream, ice pops, beach balls, flamingos, pineapples, sunshine. And then the side flips over to the gnomes with not flip-flops, well, they are to me, but for scuba diving, right? Palm trees, so it could be very tropical or not, but there's watermelon. You can use both sides of these papers easily. Really very, very nice. So the colored cardstock that comes in the kit, we have two Ballerina. Then you have Rosie, which is one of the new colors we had last year. We have Lemonade, Sundance. And remember, it's two tones, so there's two colors actually per kit, per sheet when you look at it. So I like having that option. Then you have Journey, and I kind of like the lighter one with this one, and as well as White Daisy. So I believe you get 6 sheets in all of White Daisy. You might need 2 more because I found I used a lot more White Daisy, being that it was limited quantities with the colors that I could expand. Let's check out the stamp set for Gnomes for Summer. So we have our Lazy Days of Summer, Splish Splash, and Summer Adventures. I really like these titles. They're a nice size. I like that they have a little bit different depth in the writing. Then we have a bicycle, sun. I love the water sprinkler. I really could have used this so many years ago with my boys. And then a couple of seashell and stars, ice cream, pineapple, and then you have the die cuts that coordinate. So you have the bicycle here, all of these images right here. Everything but the titles have a die cut. So that's kind of fun that you have that. So that's included in the bundle. As well as the gnome himself has just a die cut. So you have the body, his beard, his hat, sunglasses, his sandals, a drink, umbrella, nose, and hand. And you're going to see how really cute it looks on the artwork. So these are all the things that come inside the bundle. All the cardstock, the stamp sets, the coordinating paper. So that's why the bundle is worth it. I am using Journey, Lagoon, Sundance, and Rosie. These are your 4 colors. So check your stash, see what you have. Some of these colors are available right now. Here's layout 1, and I like the artwork that was actually in the guide for this one. I thought it was very bright and cheerful. Actually, it goes this way. And you'll see that I changed up a little bit, adding Lazy Days of Summer. But here you can see we have the zip strip, we have our pattern papers, some of our stickers, glitter stickers as well. Good Day Sunshine. Love that sprinkler. Really cute. This one's stamped in Lagoon. So if you only have Lagoon and you don't have Journey, you'll be able to use that throughout as well. Just change it up a little bit. So all of the stickers that are on here, and Rosie being our photo mat color in the background, and just really some nice colors to work with here. And your journaling circle. And look at that gnome. Is he not adorable? Lazy Days of Summer is stamped in Rosie. But look how cute he is with his sunglasses. He's got his drink, sandals, and hat. Love that. Oh, those are pages 1 and 2. The rest are all designed by me. I've made these other pages, and this one also incorporates a 3x3 flip flap here. Look how pretty. First of all, let's talk about the fact that I'm doubling up and using all of the paper. I created that frame, white daisy background. We'll be using the insert out of here that I took out for other things as far as pages 1 and 2, but now you can see it here as well. And this would be my flip flap right here. That is a sticker, keeping cool by the pool. I can see this also for a cruise if you were out on a boat, or you're going on vacation that way, and maybe you would forego doing these cute little water spouts that you're seeing here. And these are stamped in Journey. This is also stamped in Journey. But like I said, if you don't have Journey, you can use Lagoon. The Sunshine, I just love these cute little water spouts here. Really adorable. And stickers. So you can see I'm using all of the pattern paper along the bottom here. And Journey is a part of the photo mats. Now, I will tell you that the umbrella is from the spring collection of the Gnomes. I just felt the beach scene or needed an umbrella. You can forego that, put something else there if you'd like, or check your stash for an umbrella, cricket cut, things like that. But here's the cute little gnome. He's got his hat on. He's got his cool glasses. He's got a drink in a hand and soaking up some summer fun. But you could easily use a different label, maybe in white, and stamp any of the other messages if you prefer that title. Now this one is really very clean and it looks very simple, but there's a lot going on here. I just love having the white background on this, and you can see I stamped Summer Adventures in the Journey using a little bit of stickers, popped up that bicycle. I don't know, summertime is also a great time for that ice cream and good outdoor adventure if you'd like with the adventure time. So here you can see I used the ballerina cardstock as well as Journey. And you can see all the different pattern papers with just a sliver of the lemonade in the background to pull it all together with these great colors that we're using. And I also did another bicycle in the rosy color and use some of that pattern paper to create that wave or road look on there. So very clean and simple, great way to add flip flaps if you'd like, and just some more of those glitter stars on here. Really cool. Now this area here is for you to journal, to do your journaling, tell your story. If you feel that you need more photos, you could push this up a little bit and add another photo or two with flip flaps down here. And 2x2s are really fun to capture some of the smaller details. All right, last set of pages. I did 8 pages, so this is 7 and 8. This is way more colorful. It's incorporating that lemonade cardstock. Once again, you'll see I cut out that gut, right, the insert area, and that is what I'm using to create all of my photo mats. You know, there's only so much paper that I can work with when I'm doing a kit like this, and I really wanted to make sure I used all of it. So this is capturing the yellow in the background. Now you can see some more white daisy, more strips of each of the pattern papers, which really makes it so colorful. Look at how adorable that gnome is with his sunglasses. Really cool look. Love that he's got a drink in his hand. Now I wanted to tell you something about this. If you have a stamp set or a die cut that is, say, a surfboard, right? Or a paddle board, you can easily put it right behind here. Don't use the drink, but use that to glue it to and put a surfboard in his hand. Put the hand on top near the edge of the surfboard or the paddle board or whatever, the tube that you're doing, whatever you want to do, you can easily change this out to be something else that's thematic to the photos that you're putting on the pages. And if you don't want to use paradise, you can easily change this out to Splish Splash, Summer Adventures, or whatever else that you'd like to do. But I'm having fun with those glitter die cuts again that are included in the bundle, and just using the stickers, popping them up, and just having fun creating an opportunity for a lot of photos on here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 photo wells. And a great way is also to do journaling in one of these as well. Now you can see how I use those ice cream zip strips at the bottom to add some really fun color, because these 2 pages are really colorful and they look so great in person. So I hope you enjoy all of it. And you can see here we have the cute little girl holding the surfboard. So this could be tropical, this could be vacation, this could be playing by the pool, at the beach, and just having fun. So here are all of our pages again for the gnomes. This is 5 and 6. Great summertime adventure. Man, this is keeping cool by the pool, no doubt. Love that. And then, of course, soaking up the lazy days of summer and that adorable gnome. So definitely check my website, lynncomo.stampinup.net, for Gnomes for Summer scrapbook kit.